Hi, this is Jenna with New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design across the country. Today, we'll be in Scottsdale, Arizona, showcasing the Hovnanian AIRE community. Michael Coleman will be taking us through the Harlequin plan, so without further ado, take it away, Michael.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Jenna, for the introduction. Hi, guys. Today we are going through the Harlequin model with the rooftop deck. And it's going to have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and views of Scottsdale, Arizona. Here we go. All right. First up is going to be this great open bonus room here. 12-foot multi-slide door to private backyard. Very nice space for open entertaining. You can see the front entry there. We are single-family attached townhomes. This home is 2,290 square feet. Bonus bathroom down here on the first level. Full-size 2-car garage, something you don't find in most townhomes. Extra spacious storage. Going up here to the second level, you're going to have your dining, great room, and kitchen, and an oversized pantry. Check this out. Beautiful large open kitchen. We just came up from those stairs. Coat closet there to your right. Coffee bar area. And then check out how large this great pantry is. Nice large pantry. We're gonna have a nice little powder room here. There is a bathroom on every floor of this house, which makes it super convenient. Beautiful open space. We have right here in the heart of Scottsdale, Arizona, all this new redevelopment going on in the area. Very good time to buy as the community keeps growing. The community is outfitted with a pool and a gym. Access is available 24/7. It's heated year-round as well, and our HOA is only $225. There is Mr. Hovnanian himself, our CEO. Again, beautiful 12-foot slider on this level. You have 2 sliders. Imagine just opening that up and you'll have a nice, great open breeze from the front and the back of this home. We're going to go up to our 3rd level. The bedrooms and the laundry room are all on the 3rd level. This house has multi-zone entertaining, as you can see. Coming up to the 3rd level, we have 2 nice large bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Also, there is a full bathroom up here. This hallway leads to your private master, but first you have a great laundry room here with upper cabinets. Check out this space. That is a California king in this master bedroom. I'm going to turn around to your nice spacious bathroom. You do have a bench here in the shower. Double sinks. Private little water closet here. And this master is the largest of the 3 plans that we offer. It also has a very large, spacious walk-in closet. Let me show you how large this closet is from the back. Nice division of space. You can have his and hers or all hers if she wants. Now my favorite part, we are going to go up to the rooftop terrace. So we are going up to the 4th level of this home. And this is the best part. Just wait for it. You have the majestic Papago Buttes. Camelback Mountain right behind there. 4 peaks. Awesome deck for entertaining. You can see the planes leaving Sky Harbor International. You're about 7 minutes away from the airport, literally in the heart of the city, close to everything. And that is AIRE and the Harlequin model. Jenna, back to you.
Thanks, Michael. Be sure to tune in at noon Central Standard Time each weekday for more new home showcases.